A video teaser was released by Oneplus whose title reveals the release date for Oneplus 6. So let us find out when Oneplus 6 is going to release its next generation flagship device. Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. As we already know that OnePlus 6 is coming out with that mighty top notch which is smaller than the iPhone 10 as it was described by the OnePlus CEO. Anyways, OnePlus is all set to release its 6th generation flagship smartphone with wireless charging first time on a OnePlus device. OnePlus released a video titled Discover Your Speed. Get ready for May 16. So it is a direct indication that the OnePlus is going to release OnePlus 6 officially on the 16th of May, which is coming just after 2 or 3 weeks. The teaser says that it's a phone that is fast. OnePlus is all known to produce devices that are fluent in software and are powerhouse as proved by OnePlus 5 and OnePlus 5T. So OnePlus 6 is going to be no different from its predecessor in terms of speed and hardware specs. So after all that said, do let me know what do you think about this device in the comment section down below. We are covering all the latest information in coming videos about the upcoming devices, mobile sets and everything. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. So that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.